Okay, we will solve this one, factoring general quadratic trinomials when a is greater than 1. Okay, so we will factor 8x squared plus 2x minus 3. So, we will factor this one, or we will solve this one using asterisk method. Okay, yan yung asterisk. Ito yung AC, ito yung A, tsaka yung A, tapos B, tapos yung first factor, then yung second factor. Okay, so kunin natin yung values ng A. Yung value ng A is 8. Tapos B, positive 2. Tsaka si 3 is, si C is negative 3. Okay? So, yung A natin dito, value ng A, multiply natin kay C. Kunin natin yung AC. So, A is 8. Multiply natin kay C na negative 3. So, therefore, yung AC is negative 24. Okay? So, lagyan natin dito sa ating asterisk yan. Okay? Ito yung negative 24. So, ito yung B na, ang B natin is 2. Tapos yung A natin, 8. Okay? Para may space pa ako mamaya. Another value ng A is 8. Okay? Yung first factor at saka second factor, hindi pa natin alam. Yan ang hahanapin natin. So, ngayon, hanap tayo ng factors of negative 24. So, factors of, wala na tayong ink. Negative 24 na yung sum nila ay sum of positive 2. Okay? So, hanap tayo ng mga factors of negative 24. So, 8 times negative 3. So, this is equal to negative 24. Yung sum nila ay 8 plus negative 3. So, this is equal to positive 5. So, hindi yan yung hinahanap natin. So, baliktarin natin yan. Negative 8 times positive 3. This is also negative 24. Okay, yung sum nila ay negative 8 plus 3 is equal to negative 5. So, hindi yan. Another factor, positive 6 times natin kay negative 3. Ay no, negative 4, sorry. Negative 4. So, this is equal to negative 24. Negative 4 yan ha. So, ang sum nila, 6 plus negative 4. So, this is equal to positive 2. So, ito na yung hinahanap natin na factor. Si positive 6 at saka negative 4. So, ilagay natin dito si positive 6. Dito si negative 4. Okay? So, i-divide natin yan kasi pwede pa ma-reduce yan. So, divide natin siya by 2. So, 8 divided by 2 is 4. Si 6 din, i-divide din natin siya by 2. So, 6 divided by 2 is 3. Okay? So, dito naman sa kabila, divide natin siya by 4. So, 8 divided by 4 is 2. Okay? Dito naman, negative 4, divide din natin siya by 4. So, negative 1. Kasi unlike sign sila. Negative 4 divided by 4 or positive 4 is equal to negative 1. So, therefore, yung factors natin, dito na lang, first factor, tsaka yung second factor. Okay? So, since x yung variable natin dyan, so, lagay natin si 4, positive 4 yan. Okay? Tapos, x. Yung isa, yung sama niya ay positive 3. Dito naman sa second factor, this is 2x, tapos negative 1. So, this is your final answer. Bye-bye.